So you want to make the move to Java. So yeah, by creating this disciplined way of learning, it's going to be much easier to make the move. And, you are doing important things already. You mentioned to your manager that you want to pair more, that you want to be more involved with Java. You are working more closely to developers with Java, which is great because that will give you insights to get better as a Java developer. And in the meantime, I will also recommend you to do some interviews, and you don't need to accept the offer, but you need to feel how is the market for Java developers. You need to see how much they are paying.
Quick interruption here. I'm Rafael Leonardo, a Java champion, and this is a highlight from live session. And if you want to participate in this, just write live.
And what are the skills that you are lacking for the Java interviews? I think that's crucial because once you have this information, you can create a plan to study those concepts specifically so that in the next interview, it's much easier.
You're right.
And the other point is to focus on fundamentals instead of tools. Because if you try to learn tools without fundamentals, you might have two outcomes. You might have the first outcome, which you memorize stuff, you make it work, but you have no idea how things work. And the other one might be that you struggle too much to make it work. So both outcomes are not good. But when you go back to fundamentals, the solid foundation will be constructed. And then to go to tools and those other things that are not really essential, it gets much easier to learn them. So in the learning process, we have to be patient. We can't go eager to create very advanced things. Otherwise, we don't build the solid foundation we need to get to those tools. And then it gets much harder to learn as well. So it's interesting, but if you learn the basics and if you learn the fundamentals very well, you can learn any tool much more quickly.